Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome all of you. My name is Sainath Pandurang Karali. My project name is Demo Model of Pantograph Mechanism and its case study. My project guidance Professor Shubham Srivastava, and similarly my group member is Chavan Deepak, Salaskar Sushant and Syed Sahibaz. Now I will show and explain this PPT. Pantograph. A pantograph is a mechanical linkage connected in a manner based on parallelogram so that the movement of one pen in tracing in an image produce identical movement in a second pen. If a line drawing is traced by the first point and identical enlarged or miniaturized copy will be drawn by a pen fixed to the other using the same principle. Different kinds of the pantograph are used for the form of duplication in areas such as sculpture, minting, enlarged engraving, and milling. Because of the shape of the original device, a pantograph also refer to a kind of structure that can compress or extended like a accordion, forming a characteristic rhomboidal pattern. This can be found an extension arm for all mounted mirror, temporary France sensors, lift and other sensors mechanisms such as the pantograph used on electrical locomotive and trams. Pantograph of uses. Uses number 1, drafting. The original use of the pantograph was for copying and scaling line drawings. Modern versions are sold as toys. Pantograph of second uses. Sculpture and minting. In sculpture, a three-dimensional version for the pantograph was used, usually a large boom connected to a fixed point at one end, bearing two rotating pointing needles at arbitrary points along the boom. By adjusting the needle's different enlargement or reduction ratio can be achieved. Pantograph of third uses. Milling machines. If the milling head was mounted on a pantograph, a duplicate part could be cut and at various scales of magnification. Besides, simply by tracing a template's pantograph routing, which is concept conceptually identical of pantograph milling, also exists. Pantograph of third uses. Perhaps the pantograph that is the most familiar to the general public is the extension arm of an adjustable wall mounted mirror. The device which maintains electrical contact with the contact wire and transfer power from the wire to the transmission unit used in electrical locomotive and trams is also called as pantograph. Thank you.